Welcome to our video on the top 5 best belt sander machines. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having a reliable belt sander is essential for achieving smooth, precise finishes on your projects. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. DUDO Free. This compact yet powerful machine is built with a robust stainless steel frame, ensuring both durability and stability for your grinding task. Equipped with 275 mm grinding wheels, the DUDO Free excels at both coarse and fine polishing, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Its 100-watt motor delivers consistent performance, while the 7-speed, stepless speed regulation allows you to adjust the grinding speed to meet your specific needs. The forward and reverse switch modes add to the versatility of this grinder, offering more control during your work. With an input voltage range of 110-220 volt and a weight of approximately 1.5 kilograms, this grinder is both powerful and portable, perfect for both home workshops and more demanding projects. Number 4. ENLE J. The ENLE J110V/220 volt small grinding machine is a fantastic choice. With its sturdy stainless steel construction, this machine offers both durability and performance. The ENLE J features a 100-watt motor that powers a pair of 75mm grinding wheels, making it ideal for both coarse and fine grinding tasks. The 7-speed, stepless speed regulation allows you to customize the sanding experience to suit different materials and applications. Whether you need forward or reverse operation, this machine has you covered with its easy-to-use switch mode. Weighing just around 1.5 kilograms, it's compact enough to fit on your workbench while still providing the power you need for efficient grinding and polishing. If you're in the market for a reliable, small-scale sander that doesn't compromise on features, the ENLE J is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Tongue Full. The Tongue Full belt grinder stands out as a highly functional tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable belt sander for various tasks. This mini grinder features both horizontal and vertical grinding surfaces, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. The horizontal grinding surface and the dedicated sharpening stand on top are particularly useful for knife sharpening, allowing for precise and efficient edge maintenance. A thoughtful design includes a motor dust cover that prevents grinding debris from entering the motor, enhancing the grinder's safety and longevity. The dust cover also doubles as a handle, enabling you to easily move the machine to different work areas. Additionally, a waterproof cover for the buttons safeguards against dirt and reduces the risk of electrical shock during use, ensuring a safe and clean operation. Number 2. SI Fang. The SI Fang Mini Belt Sander is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision sanding, polishing, and grinding tasks. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel through advanced laser cutting techniques, this sander is built for durability and long-term use. The stainless steel construction ensures the sander remains rust-free and resilient, even when handling high-hardness materials. Featuring a 7-speed variable speed control, this sander offers the flexibility to adjust the speed according to your specific needs, whether you're working on delicate acrylics or tougher wood surfaces. The precision-engineered motor, equipped with double bearings, delivers high speed and high torque for efficient performance, all while operating quietly and smoothly. Number 1. AWESOME. The AWESOME 180-watt electric sander is a versatile and powerful tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople. With a robust 180-watt motor and a no-load speed of 7,000 RPM, this mini-belt sander delivers efficient and reliable performance for a variety of sanding tasks. The motor, a high-performance 795 model, ensures that the sander operates smoothly at a belt speed of 10 ms/s, making quick work of surface preparation, smoothing, and finishing. The AWESOME 180W electric sander is not only effective but also user-friendly, with a design that combines power and ease of use. Its lightweight and compact form factor make it easy to maneuver, while the high belt speed ensures that you can tackle both large and detailed sanding tasks with ease. Whether you're looking to smooth rough surfaces or refine detailed work, this sander offers the performance and versatility to meet your needs. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 best belt sander machines. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect belt sander for your workshop needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more top product reviews and recommendations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy sanding and see you in the next video.